Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. আজি মই ডিসকাস কৰিম কেইটামান ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট কুৱেশ্যন অটল টানেলৰ লগত জড়িত। এই কুৱেশ্যনবোৰ আগন্তুক যি কম্পিটিটিভ এক্সাম হ'ব সেই এক্সামত ইয়াৰ পৰা নিশ্চয় আপোনালোকৰ কমন আহিব। ফাৰ্ষ্ট কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল হোৱাট ইজ দ্য লেংথ অফ অটল টানেল আৰু ইয়াৰ এনসাৰ হ'ব 9.02 কিলোমিটাৰ। Question number 2, Atal Tunnel is situated in which state of India? আৰু ইয়াৰ answer হ'ব Himachal Pradesh. Question number 3, Atal Tunnel has been named after whom? আৰু ইয়াৰ answer হ'ব Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Question number 4, when was the inauguration of Atal Tunnel took place? And the answer is 3rd October 2020. Next question, which tunnel was India's longest tunnel before Atal Tunnel? And the answer is Jawahar Tunnel. Question number 6, where is Jawahar Tunnel located? And the answer is Jammu Kashmir. Question number 7, what was the Atal Tunnel's earlier name? And your answer is Rohtang Tunnel. Question number 8, Atal Tunnel is located in which pass? And the answer is Rohtang Pass. Question number 9, who has laid the foundation stone of Atal Tunnel? And your answer is Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Question number 10, what is the name of world's longest highway tunnel? And your answer is Atal Tunnel. Question number 11, Atal Tunnel will connect which two places? And the answer is Manali and Lahaul Spiti. Question number 12, who has inaugurated Atal Tunnel? Your answer is Narendra Modi. Next question, who has constructed Atal Tunnel? And your answer is BRO, B-R-O, BRO. And your full form is Border Road Organization. Atal Tunnel or yetu picture hoy apnaloke sai lok. Next question, world's longest tunnel is constructed in which mountain range? And your answer is Pir Panjal. Question number 16, what will be the cost of construction Atal Tunnel? And your answer is 3,300 crores. Question number 17, what is the shape of Atal Tunnel? And your answer is horse hoe. Next question, when was BRO formed? B-R-O, BRO formed. And your answer is 7th May 1960. Question number 18, ইয়াতে full form hodise BRO, etu already মই কৈছো আগৰ questionত. What is the full form of BRO? Your answer hobo Border Road Organization. Question number 19, who is the Director General of BRO? Your answer hobo Harpal Singh. এইখন Harpal Singhৰ photo. Last questionত hodise BROৰ headquarter ক'ত অৱস্থিত? আৰু ইয়াৰ answer হ'ব New Delhi.